Hey you guys, you had this problem and you drop the screw down, and in order to get it, you got to take that whole cover off underneath the car. Well, I'll show you a little trick to it. It's going to be a little shaky, but you'll see. You see what happens, the screw gets up in here. Normally you got to take all these screws off. You see, you got all those screws to take off. Well, there's a little trick you can use. There's a wrench or a super strong magnet. Just want to run it across. And wherever it is, you're going to pick it up. Up, hear it? There you go. It's that simple, folks. You don't have to take all those screws out and take that cover off. Hope this helps you.